In today's episode, let's prepare some delicious nduma for breakfast. You can also have this for brunch or also as an afternoon snack. With me here I have my ingredients and I'm going to start by prepping them. I'm going to start off by dicing my arrowroots, then I'll chop my onions as well as my coriander. I'm going to be dividing my coriander into the coriander leaves and coriander stems. And once I'm done, we can get to the other side where we get started. Once my cooking oil is nice and hot, I'll go in with my diced arrowroots. So let me explain what I'll be doing in today's episode. Since we diced our arrowroots, it has 6 sides. So I'm going to be shallow frying them 3 sides, not all the 6 sides. This is because I want something that has a crust on one side and soft on the other side. And that's just how I chose it. You can do it how you like it. So I added in my cooking oil and I realized that it was quite a lot for the amount that I was preparing. So I scooped off some of the cooking oil, but I'm going to be adding a little more oil as we go along, because while shallow frying, just like potatoes, like chips, like wedges, like any other thing, it soaks up the cooking oil. So once the oil was depleted and I had shallow fried all the 3 sides, I added in my onions, coriander stems, and half of a seasoning cube. I'm not going to be adding salt in today's episode, but you can definitely add salt if that's what you want. This is because arrowroots can be enjoyed without salt and they are still tasty. I'm going to fry the onions for about a minute or so and our snack will be ready. That's it for today's episode. I hope you enjoyed. This was such a short one. Don't forget to like the video, share your thoughts down in the comment section, share this with a friend as well, and also try out this recipe and let me know how you find it. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.